Airports seem simple on the surface. You check in, go through security, board your flight, and take off. But behind that routine is a carefully engineered system designed to manage people, time, and money, often in ways most travelers never notice. Today, we're breaking down 10 airport secrets savvy travelers understand. Not rumors or conspiracies, but real, documented practices used across airports and airlines worldwide. And make sure you stay until the end, because there's one overlooked bonus tip that can dramatically improve your airport experience after landing, especially when you're tired, stressed, or in a rush. It's simple, but once you notice it, you'll use it every time you travel. Let's get into it. Airports are built to observe passenger behavior. Airports rely heavily on surveillance, not just for security, but for behavior and crowd management. Cameras aren't only watching for threats. They track congestion, dwell time, and how passengers move through terminals. Seating areas, charging stations, and waiting zones are often placed where people naturally slow down or stop. That's why frustration near gates or security desks doesn't go unnoticed. Raising your voice, pacing aggressively, or arguing in public spaces can attract attention long before you ever speak to an airline employee. Savvy travelers understand this and keep interactions calm and professional, especially when problems arise. In many cases, staying composed can make the difference between getting help or being ignored. Carpet isn't about comfort, it's about control. Ever notice how airport flooring suddenly changes from tile to carpet near gates or security checkpoints? That switch is intentional. Carpet subtly slows walking speed, reduces echo and noise, and lowers passenger stress. It also helps spread people out naturally, preventing bottlenecks without barriers or signage. This concept is known as behavioral design. You're not being forced to slow down, you're being guided to. It's quiet, effective, and used in airports all over the world. Once you notice it, you'll start seeing it everywhere, especially in busy terminals and international hubs. Water fountains aren't always the best option. Water fountains seem like a healthy, money-saving choice, but many travelers don't realize how heavily they're used and how infrequently they're deep cleaned. Buttons, spouts, and nozzles are touched by hundreds or even thousands of people daily. While not all fountains are unsafe, they're often cleaned less frequently than people assume. That's why many frequent flyers opt for sealed bottled water, especially during peak travel periods or cold and flu season. It's not paranoia, it's experience. Airline staff often know more than you think. When airline staff look at a reservation, they often see more than a name and seat number. Depending on the situation, they may see frequent flyer status, special service notes, or internal flags related to previous travel behavior. Gate agents and flight attendants are trained to observe passengers closely, not out of judgment, but for safety, efficiency, and service flow. How you treat staff can influence how willing they are to help when issues arise. Savvy travelers understand that politeness is often the most powerful upgrade, and in an environment as stressful as air travel, that really goes a long way. Your checked bag is heavily screened behind the scenes. Before your checked luggage ever reaches an aircraft, it goes through advanced screening systems most passengers never see. These systems use imaging technology, chemical detection, and automated analysis to identify potential threats. Suspicious bags are flagged and inspected before moving forward. It's one of the most technologically advanced parts of modern air travel, and it happens quietly, efficiently, and out of sight. Most travelers never realize how much work happens before their bag ever reaches the plane. These are the kinds of details that make travel smoother when you know them, and that's what the savvy traveler is all about. Stay with me until the end for a bonus tip that most people overlook. Overbooking is built into airline math. Airlines oversell seats by design. They rely on historical data showing that a certain percentage of passengers won't show up. When everyone does, someone gets bumped. While frustrating, this practice is legal and deeply tied to airline profit models. Compensation rules exist, but the inconvenience can still derail your plans. You can reduce your risk by checking in early, arriving on time, and avoiding the last boarding group when flights are full. It doesn't eliminate the risk, but it shifts the odds in your favor. Airport ATMs are among the most expensive. Airport ATMs often charge higher withdrawal fees and use unfavorable exchange rates. By the time fees and conversion losses stack up, travelers can lose 10% or more per transaction without realizing it. If you'll need cash, withdrawing it before arriving at the airport is almost always the smarter move. Airplanes are cleaned for speed, not deep sanitation. Between flights, aircraft are usually given quick cleanings focused on visible mess. Deep sanitizing, when it happens, may only occur monthly or during maintenance cycles. Tray tables, seatbelt buckles, armrests, and seat pockets consistently rank among the dirtiest surfaces on board. That's why savvy travelers bring disinfectant wipes and use them every single flight. It's a small habit that can make a noticeable difference. Flight schedules are quietly padded. Airlines often add extra minutes to scheduled flight times. That padding makes arrivals appear on time, or even early, despite delays earlier in the day. It improves performance statistics without changing the actual travel experience. If a flight arrives early, it doesn't always mean everything ran perfectly. It often means expectations were adjusted in advance. Ghost flights are real and strategic. Sometimes planes fly nearly empty, not for passengers, but to protect airport slots. At congested airports, failing to operate scheduled flights can mean losing valuable routes permanently. Flying an empty plane can be cheaper than losing long-term access. These flights look wasteful, but strategically, they're sometimes unavoidable in modern aviation. And now, as promised for staying until the end of the video, here's the bonus tip savvy travelers swear by. Never use the first bathroom you see after landing. That restroom is almost always the busiest, messiest, and most rushed. Walk just a little farther down the terminal and conditions improve dramatically. Fewer people, cleaner facilities, and a much better reset after a long flight. It's a small move that makes a big difference, especially after a long flight. Airports aren't trying to trick you, but they are carefully engineered environments. The more you understand how they work, the easier it becomes to save time, reduce stress, and travel with confidence. Thanks for watching The Savvy Traveler. If you want more smart travel tips, insider knowledge, and real-world strategies, subscribe and travel savvy every time.